Hey everyone, if we haven't met yet, my name is Nate Thomas. I serve on the team year-round here at Connect Ministries, and I'm so grateful for your partnership on leadership team, specifically the marketing coordinator as a part of the Connect Camps host leadership team. We're so excited to be bringing Connect Camps to your community, and I'm excited to walk through the process of effectively serving as a marketing coordinator so that your church can continue to get outside your walls and meet new people in your community. That's what our main role is as a marketing coordinator. And that is to invite families who are not involved in your church, maybe on the edges of your church, invite them to camp so that they can come experience what life is like inside the walls of the local church. At Connect, this is so aligned with our overall mission. Our mission is to help churches, just like the one that you attend and that you're representing, meet new people. And so, just this topic gets our team really excited and really pumped about walking really closely with you through this season so that you can effectively see the mission advance in your local area. Just to kind of give you an overview of what the role of marketing coordinator looks like, you have so many resources at your fingertips. Everyone's going to attack this role a little bit different. That's kind of the fun and the joy in marketing is there's not just one way to do it. And so in our training, we're taking the approach of training you on a way of thinking, not necessarily a 35-step plan. And if you follow it, you're guaranteed to see results. So we've given you a whole bunch of different things so that you can pick what you feel like will work in your community and apply that to your clear plan. So just an overview, we've built 16, that's right, 16 different campaigns for you to run and use in your community. They're customizable, they're easy to work with in Google Docs, make copies of and adjust, edit, make them your own, personalize them to your context. You've also got 33 pre-designed assets that you can use that will help you with marketing and advertising around your community. You've also got 10 months of time planned. We've given you an overarching structure that we recommend. But again, you'll be able to take that and make it your own a little bit as well. You've got an infinite supply of graphic designs that can be used for marketing. All you have to do is request that from our team. Super easy process. You'll get that turned around as soon as we possibly can. Your general turnaround time is about 2 weeks. But no, you have an unlimited supply of designs at your fingertips for marketing. And then you've also got a dedicated home office contact there to help you feel secure and confident. You've also got a leadership team manual. There's a section in there that is specifically written for marketing coordinators, and that clearly walks through the overall way of thinking so that you can be an effective marketing coordinator as a part of your host leadership team. And then you've also got these training videos. There's in total, I know it's maybe a little bit of an overwhelming amount of videos. There's about 37 of them. You do not have to watch them all, but I hope it provides some sense of security knowing that if there's something that you do need help with, there's probably a video from our marketing team to help walk you through that season. So all in all, there is a ton of resources at your fingertips so that you can feel confident and equipped and prepared to execute on marketing plans in your community so you can see new families go from the outside of your church, from just the community, doing life in the community outside your church to doing life inside the walls of your local church. So you've got a couple different videos that you can select from now. If you want to just continue getting an overview of what does the flow of a marketing coordinator look like, I would highly recommend the marketing coordinator video series that will walk through the 8 steps that are in your marketing coordinator manual. And there will be one video for every single step. Those are the marketing coordinator series. There's also a how-to series that'll just cover some marketing 101. If you're new to marketing, I recommend these videos. They will just hit on some high-level marketing concepts that will be good to know as you enter into your role. And then the third series that we have is a how-to series. And that just walks through all 16 of our campaigns. And it talks about, when you start, what are some things you can use, some additional best practices that we didn't even put in the different campaigns, how to customize them, all of that. So as those times come up, I'd recommend watching those so you can have full context on how you can make the most of those videos. I'm super grateful for your commitment to serve. I know that you only have a limited amount of time, and so the fact that you would use some of that limited resource to support your local host as a marketing coordinator just means a ton to connect, and I know it means a lot to the other members of your leadership team. Please reach out if there's anything we can do, and we look forward to hearing the stories of how the Lord is moving in the community.